Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Gurp Dhaliwal from Capture Studio. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to create this beautiful textured side braid. I have very thin hair and my hair looks so nice and full. I'm going to teach you how to achieve this look, so please keep on watching. Today is day 5 of 12 days of wedding bells. Make sure you check out the other previous videos before this. So I'm starting off with my hair and sectioning out the front sections. You guys have seen me do this before in my videos, so I'm going ear to ear. I'm just taking a bobby pin and sectioning this out of the way. This section in the back, I'm going to throw forward and then put down a hair padding at the top of my head and secure it with bobby pins. So I'm taking a little bit of the padding and a little bit of my hair and securing it to my crown area. Since I don't have that much hair, I've already pre-curled an extension, and this is the Tamanna X Bombay Hair extension, and placing that really close underneath the padding. This way I have a little bit more hair up there, but I also cover up that padding easily. So with my tikka, I'm going to be placing it and pushing the pin into that hair padding and then crossing the pins. Once that's done, I'm going to be taking the front panel and creating a very deep part because I'm also going to be adding a bassa. I'm going to show you how to do that as well. Here I'm just backcombing this side of my hair because I don't want it to be super flat. I'm taking a little bit of hairspray and then getting the bassa ready. The bassa, I've added a bobby pin to the top where the hook is and pushing that right into where I initially put the tikka pin. Once it's there, we're going to take this section and move it back on top of that padding. We want this to be very nice and clean. This is that section that we initially threw forward. I'm putting a little bit of hairspray and wax and just molding the hair so it goes backwards. I'm going to start pinning this all to one direction where I want my braid to go. So now I'm going to be taking the bassa and just gently moving it onto this side so I can again just backcomb a little bit underneath. This is the Dress Your Face X Bombay Hair curling wand. I'm going to curl this section over the barrel, and then once I'm done, I'm going to release the hair, comb it through with my fingers, take a bobby pin, and then twist underneath and push this section into that backside of my hair. Once that's done, I can take the bassa and place it down. I'm going to be adding 2 bobby pins to the scalp, and this is where I can really secure that bassa. The bobby pins are black, so they look very invisible and you can't really see them. I'm going to take a U-shaped bobby pin and push that between the parting through those bobby pins that we put. Now it's nice and secure. For my bang section, I'm going to be taking them in the opposite direction and backcombing it. Use a curling wand to give it some texture. I'm going to let it cool down over here on this side. I'm going to be taking this hairpiece from Sally's Beauty Supply. You guys have seen me use this before when I do my long ponytails, and I'm going to braid it. You want to be careful that you don't apply any heat to this because it is synthetic, so it will burn. Make sure the braid is not super tight because you want to be able to loosen it. The rest of the hair, you can go ahead and curl it and just give it some texture. And I'm also going to take another extension, lift the hair, and add it in there. Again, I don't have much hair, so that's why I'm doing all of this, but if you have a lot of hair, you can skip it. I'm going to be taking my braid and making sure I like the length and start pinning it into the back side of my head. On this hairpiece, there was a little bit of an opening, but you don't have to technically use that. You can just fold it in. I'll leave a link for this down below as well, but I'm going to take this tool that I got from Amazon and it's so helpful for this look. I'm going to take a section from the front right here, which was my extensions and my natural hair, and I'm going to put it through the top loop and I'm going to pull this through the braid. This is kind of going to give you that fishtail effect. It really helps you get through the braid, and I'm also going to take a section from the back side and then push it in the opposite direction towards me. I'm going to continue my way all the way down, and you should have something that looks like this. If there's anything that's loose at the ends, make sure you take a bobby pin and just secure it. Now you can start gently pulling the pieces apart. I'm going to take some hairspray and put it all over. With my bangs, I am gently combing out some of the curl and I'm going to start positioning it the way that I want. So you just take the section and then add it towards the braid. This was one of my favorite hair looks on myself, and in tomorrow's video, I'm going to be showing you how to create this makeup look. Alright guys, so that wraps up day 5 of 12 days of wedding bells. I hope you enjoyed this hair tutorial. Please give me a big thumbs up if you did. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I'll catch you tomorrow in my next one. Thanks guys for watching.